Hello guys, welcome to ND Brothers. In this video, I will show you how you can create an awesome Firebase UI authentication page in your Android application like this. We will be making this user interface using Firebase and we will set this logo and three sign-in options. The first one is sign in with email, then sign in with phone, and then sign in with Google. And we will also be adding these terms of services and privacy policies links. And I will also show you how to set this theme on this authentication page. We will be using Firebase, Google API console and Android Studio. So let's get started in the video. So let us go through those steps. So first of all, go to your Android project in which you want to implement this UI authentication interface and include this dependencies. First of all, we have to include Firebase core dependency, then Firebase auth dependency, and then Firebase UI auth dependency, and then GMS play services authentication dependency. So guys, I have included the latest dependency in my project. When you are watching the video, maybe the version of dependency will be upgraded, so you have to upgrade the dependency according to the time when you are watching, right? So you can check the dependencies version on Firebase docs online page. Here all the dependencies are given. You can add it from here also. So I will include these dependencies in my description also. You can copy from there. So second step you have to do is you have to connect your Firebase. You have to connect your project to the Firebase. I have already connected my project. This is secure node, my currently opened project. You have to include this in Firebase console and open the project. After opening the project, you have to go in this authentication option, and from here you have to go in sign in methods and enable these three. I have already enabled this, but you have to enable these three, right? And these are my users. I have already implemented the interface, so I will be showing you how to do that in a minute, right? You just have to enable these. Now after this, you also have to go to API services, API console, and in your project, this is my project, choose your project, right? After choosing your project, you have to go to this credentials option. This is loading, and in your credential options you have to go into this Android key, right? So guys, this page restrict and rename API key page will be open. So in this you have to restrict usage to your Android application. Here you have to like click on add an item, and you have to enter your package name and your SHA1 key, right? And you have to click on restrict key and you have to select API. Make sure you must include this identity toolkit API and Google Cloud API, right? And you have to set one application restriction per key. So you have to click on Android app and save, right? It may take up to 5 minutes. This is only written, it will be fine. All right. So guys, now go to OAuth contest screen and fill this form, and after filling save your result, right? After doing this, we will go to write some code. So guys, we will be writing some code now. So Let's write some code. So we will open our Android project in Android Studio, and we will I have opened my secure node project. Here I have some activities and some resources I have already added. So we will create a new Java class, and we will name it login activity, right? And we will hit OK, right? Do you want to add the following project to Git? We will add it later, right? So actually I have already written the code, and I will be explaining the code to you. So let me paste it here. So let's see what is written in this code. This is the code of login activity by which we will be able to see this interface, right? So let's understand this. So these are so first of all, we have login activity which extends app compact activity, right? And we have created three variables. First is my request code, which we will be using in on activity result, and we have a list of providers, like we are using email provider, phone, sign in with phone, and sign in with Google, right? So we will have a list of these providers, and we have a Firebase user, right? So in onCreate method, let's see. In onCreate method, we provide a choose list of providers. We set list of provider. First is email builder, second is phone builder, third is Google builder, right? This code can be found on Firebase docs also, but I have shown you in Android Studio, right? So we create a new function, show sign in option, right? How to show in sign in option. So we start activity for result from sign in option, show sign in option, where we call auth ui.get instant.create sign in intent builder, and after we will provide some various attributes, we can say. We first of all set available providers and provide a list of providers that we have already created uh, above, right? Then we will set theme of our user interface. I have created my theme. Let me show you how it looks in layout. No, in themes, in values, in styles. I have created my theme. This is my theme, right? This is simply my theme as parent as app theme, and just I have changes some color, right? So this is my theme, and I have a drawable google.png. Let's see this, right? So I set my theme and set my logo. Then after that I set is smart lock enabled false, and as I have told you that we will be setting this terms of services and privacy policy. So for that we put set tools and privacy policy URLs. This here you can put your custom URL so that to your company's website or so, right? After that we build this start activity for result by providing my request code, right? So now let's head over to, we will override this on activity result, right? After clicking on sign in, what will happen, right? If request code is equals to my request code, then we will create idb response equals to idb response dot from result intent, and we will be providing the intent data, right? If result code is equals to request okay, then we will be creating a new user, and we will be getting its instance, and after that we will be starting a new activity, right? Here this I have provided main activity dot class. I have already set up it. I have set it up, right? So you can provide your activity which you want to reach from this interface, this authentication interface, right? After that we will finish it, and we will create a toast message, welcome with username, right? muser.get display name. If we are the request code is not okay, then we will be creating a toast saying response.get error, right? So let's run the app. So guys, installing app, updating instant run status. So guys, you can see user interface is ready and we have created 3 sign-in options. Let me show you this sign in with email option, how this works. I will mm, I will create a new email address 123@abcd.com. Right. With next first name we will be providing anything with password anything abcd. Right. Save. It is saying password not strong enough. abcd123 abcd123. Let's save. So you can see the app is working. So that's it guys.